Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Zello app. You click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Zello app and you will answer. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.